Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is again review of some of the other engineering colleges in Bangalore which are under top 20, and this will help basically North Indians and other people from Karnataka also to take decisions. So I'm going to talk now today about BNMIT, BNM Institute of Technology. It's one of the renowned colleges, very popular, old established college. The only thing is that it has a very small campus of 4 acres, right? So anybody who is looking for good facilities, amenities in terms of sports, playground and everything, this has a very limited capacity, small campus with academics buildings and a very few hostels also, right? So if you see from the girls hostel perspective, girls hostel is located directly on the campus, but the boys hostel is situated off campus. So all the boy students who are looking for hostel, they do not have a hostel within the campus, but it is around 1.5 to 3 kilometers away in Padmanabh Nagar, right? With dedicated bus transportation service is available, but it is outside the campus. Not talking about the placements, so we should also look how it is placements and with respect to the data in an IRF report which they have submitted for higher education for the ranking purpose. So this is the data submitted by them, and this is already available on their website. The good news about this college is that it has a very smaller number of seats, right? So now the seats are increasing, but in 21-22 batch, which just passed last year, the total number of seats were 572 seats in the starting year 22, right? So now we have to compare with what placements those students have got, right? So last 3 years placement trend, number of students are less. 416 students were eligible for placement in 2023 batch, and out of 416 students, 347 got placed. So looks like a very good placement, and the median salary is also good, 5.4 lakhs. But as you slowly go next year, right, number of students like 547 eligible for placement out of 572, 350 students got placed, again 60-65% placement, and median salary dropped. So you can see just median salary is now 4.6 lakhs. And the latest placement which I just show you, total number of students 572, 25 batch, 493 students have basically eligible for placement. Only 318 got placed with the median salary of just 5 lakhs. So the number of placed students are 300 plus, number of median salary is 5. That means more than 150 students got 5 lakhs, but around 150 plus students got less than 5 lakhs. So the decision making should be your that you are looking to join a college with 5 lakh median salary, and infrastructure is very small, and do you have options in your native place of same median salary, and fees will be much lower there compared to Comedk Colleges. Also, hostels are costly in Bangalore, so you have to make your own decision.
So if any student or parents are looking for getting the right guidance for selecting the right college, right course based on their preferences, so if you want to avail this personalized counseling services, basically choice filling order and will be provided, as well as up to 30 minutes you can talk, basically connect with phone and WhatsApp this number. So to avail this service, you have to pay 2000 rupees as scanning this code, and we can start the discussions.